Hey everyone, so today we are just going to do a really quick swatching video. I'm going to show off some of the new Annabelle collection in swatches. It's going to be really short, quick, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So this is the Annabelle VIP, very illegal Pout. Very illegal Pout lipsticks. Looks like there's also some glitter that comes in this guy that spins. But I think I'm holding it too tight. There we go. Oh, no, see? I keep holding it. A new spin on lip shine. So I'm assuming they're all shiny. I'm not seeing anything that says matte. I'm just seeing shine, 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 shine. I like a good shine, and I'm glad it's finally coming back into style because everyone's been really big on matte for a while now. But my lips can get pretty dehydrated, so they don't always look super good when I put matte stuff all over them. So I'm just going to start with Monte Carlo. Oh, cool. These all have like Vegas style names, like Flamingo, like the hotel name. Monte Carlo is like another hotel name there. Nevada, Gambler, Casino. I guess I'm gonna name all these lipsticks to you guys in a moment. But we are gonna start with Monte Carlo. It has a sticker on it. The UPC stickers. I'm just going to cut that to make life a little bit easier because that was difficult. Here we go. So this looks like it's just going to be like really shimmery and shiny. It is pretty though. Very, very soft. So here is Flamingo. Oh, I like that. So these look like they're all going to be just like very soft shines because I really thought Flamingo was going to be like super crazy and loud because it looks loud, but it looks like it's just a very nice sheen. That means I'm going to really get down with these because I like softer sheens versus like crazy pops on my lip all the time. Nevada is going to go right here. I really like Nevada. I think I'm only going to swatch one on my lip, and I think Nevada is going to be the one that I swatch on my lip because that is a nice brown. Oh, brown like the desert. I get it. Got Gambler, which says glitter on it, so this one, I'm assuming, is going to have a fair amount of glitter to it, and not just sheen. Wait. Whoa. That looks really cool. Do you see that? Actually, I don't know if that camera's gonna pick up on that, but it's got like this cool kind of purpley and blue, is that a green sort of sheen in there? There's a lot of sheens. Trying to like look at the same time, but I guess it's more for you guys than it is for me, so I'll swatch it and then I'll look at it. Oh, that is really cool. It's got that really like interesting shift. I'm hoping this picks up on camera. One day I'll be able to afford like a super good camera, but today is not that day. So this is Casino. We're gonna take that guy just right in there. I think that's the brightest one so far. Oh, that's an ugly swatch, I apologize. So Bluff is the next one. We're gonna stick that guy right there. Oh, that's my new favorite, I think. It's like that nice kind of soft beigey with like a little bit of a purple behind it. I like that. Fab 777. Huh. I thought that one was going to be really purple, but it's like more pink. Like it's definitely like got purple in it, but you see that? I was hoping for more of a plum one myself, like a deeper plum, because that would be really pretty on a lot of people, but it's definitely a lot more pink than a dark blue. And Lady Luck is the next guy. Did I put that into the other one? No, okay. Got close though. So that one is like, just like a softer, softer than the last one, but it is like a softy sort of pop. Oh, I can't decide if I want to put that one on or Bluff. Bluff or Nevada. I think I'm probably going to still put Nevada on. So those are all the colors that I have. I think there's more colors available, but don't quote me, please. Now I have the Annabelle VIP Metallic to Glitter in the color Russian Roulette. Like the roulette spinny thing they say. Well, not they sent me, but they sent to shoppers who gave to me. But yeah, you get it. I'm not quite sure if this is something that's, oh yeah, it looks like it's supposed to go by itself. I couldn't tell if it was like a top coat or if it was supposed to go by itself, but it looks like it is supposed to go by just by itself. So I'm just gonna put that like right about there. So it's like, it is pretty like glittery, but not super in your face. Like, you know, some of them are like just mounds of glitter. That's got like a fair amount of glitter, but it's not like boom, like glitter explosion. But what does it mean metallic to glitter? I have to Google this. Oh crap, I don't have my phone. Okay, I'm not gonna Google it. Last, we have the VIP Lip Stylo. It's French. I'm sure I butchered that. I tried though, but I'm sure I was wrong. It says it is a semi-permanent ultra pigmented lip pen, semi-permanent. I'm assuming that means it's more of a like a lip stain tint. Let's swatch that guy like right there. Get a bigger swatch so you guys can really see what's going on. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely more of a tint. That's dry already, actually. Let me see if I have some paper towel. And I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna take this paper towel and I'm gonna not awful. I didn't give it even that much time to dry down. It's just a little bit coming off. Let me see. I mean, that's weird. People are not gonna be like scrubbing your lip. I mean, unless you're like making out, but also at that point, I'm not caring too much about my lipstick, personally. I'm just gonna like pretend it's like a kiss, 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 kiss. Pretty damn good, actually. Especially for the price range that I'm sure that Annabelle is at, because it's always very affordable. Now, I just want to put on a color, because I can't decide between Bluff and Nevada. I'm going to do Nevada. It's a little bit deeper, and I think it's going to give me that nice, I don't know. We shall see. I'm going to move this mirror a little bit. It's very creamy. She's got a bit of dry skin, I apologize. All over. It feels really good going on, actually. It's really like soft and creamy. Thanks guys, so I hope you're enjoying these swatching videos that I've been doing lately. Let me know in the comments below what you feel and think and feel about them. And yeah, we'll see you next time.